When the badge is presented, the badge number is read by the reader that sends this number to the controller. As soon as a new person is added in the AEOS application, a badge type and number are linked to the person. As soon as the number is linked and the data is saved, the AEOS application sends the information to the controller. As soon as a badge is presented to the reader, the controller compares both numbers and determines whether the wearer of the badge is authorized to enter. Nothing new so far, you might say. When two numbers match, the door opens. But that's not entirely true. The badge type also has an important role. Suppose in the AEOS application, a MyFair Classic badge with badge number 4869 is linked to Mark Johnson. The physical badge Mark presents at the reader is a MyFair Desfire badge with the number 4869. How can AEOS distinguish different badge types that coincidentally have the same number? Let's have a closer look at what happens below the surface. To distinguish different badge types, each type has a unique number in AEOS. Every reader contains a configuration file, which contains, among other things, the badge type used by the customer. When a badge is presented which matches the type as defined in the configuration file, the badge number will be read by the reader. At the same time, the unique number that AEOS uses to distinguish badge types is added to the badge number as soon as the badge is read by the reader. This combination is sent to the controller for an authorization check. The badge type used also needs to be defined in the AEOS application. This can be done by creating an identifier type in the application. Log in as an administrator on the application. Go to Administration, Maintenance, Identifiers, and Identifiers Types. An overview from existing identifier types is shown. To add a new one, first select the correct badge type and press New. AEOS uses MyFair Desfire badges. A feature of them is that the card serial number, CSN, from the badge is not used, but the number is programmed in a file on the badge. Therefore, select Desfire Data File in the Series field. Give the identifier type a name and select the identification type used. The number 4869, programmed in the badge, is a BCD number and not a hexadecimal number, for instance, A13B2. In order to store the identifier type, choose OK. The circle is almost complete. The reader and the AEOS application both know what to read or write. Only the access point does not yet know what badge type is used. Open during the configuration in AMON the Properties menu and select MyFair.